Hey Daniel, how are you?
Hi Julia, I'm fine, thanks, and you? How has your new job been?
Oh, it's been a roller coaster, to be honest. I started my new job 2 weeks ago.
That's great. How is it different from your previous job?
Well, the new job is with a bigger company, which means more responsibilities. I also have to deal with a larger team.
It sounds challenging. Are you adapting well?
It was a little overwhelming at first, but my coworkers have been so helpful. They help me feel more comfortable.
That's good to hear. And how is your new routine?
I think the biggest change has been the schedule. Now, I have to wake up earlier and catch the morning traffic.
Morning traffic can be a pain. How do you deal with it?
I've been listening to audiobooks in the car, which makes the trip more enjoyable. Also, I'm thinking about starting to use public transportation to avoid traffic.
Sounds like a good idea. And what do you do in your free time to relax after a busy day?
I've been trying to do yoga to relieve stress. I've also been going out to dinner with some coworkers to get to know each other better.
That's cool. Making new friends is always good. I hope you continue to adapt and that the new job is rewarding.
Thanks, Daniel. I hope so too. Let's meet next weekend for coffee and I'll tell you more details about how it's going.
Deal. I'm looking forward to hearing more about this.
Thank you for watching. If you found the content of this video useful, please leave your like and write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next videos.